You can also insert a chart by just highlighting the data that you want to use, and then clicking on Insert Chart, choose the chart type first, and then say Use Highlighted Data. What it does is it will create a graph data instantly for that and set up the chart. So here's our pie chart. What you can also do within a file, within Excel or within a PowerPoint file, is you can just Control-C and Control-V to clone a chart. You can only do this within one given file because of the complex nature of the synchronization. If you want to clone charts, you can also do that by naming the chart and then selecting the name from the list of charts in your chart library here. Let's also quickly take a look at how to insert a chart in PowerPoint. The process is very much the same, but there's an added design feature. In PowerPoint, you can choose different styles for different charts and different background colors. You can also choose the color palette. This is very useful when setting corporate color schemes and using client logos and so forth. We've designed ActiveGraf to work right within your existing workflows and to make things very simple. And so when you insert an ActiveGraf in a PowerPoint, it automatically chooses the color and color scheme that is compatible with your presentation. So we'll just go in and insert a chart here, an area chart. Click on Area Chart. And we'll use the same data as we used before, good standing. Should find it. There we go. Good structure, not good standing. Good structure 2. And you'll see that immediately ActiveGraf chooses the same background color and the color palette that's chosen for that slide. We'll try it again and show you how that works. Insert. This has a different color scheme, both in terms of its palette and its design. And we'll put in an area chart. Again, we'll choose good structure. There it is. Finds the data based on its name. Very easy. And there you go. And you see now it's compatible with that. The blue line is just the outline. So you can see here how it disappears and blends in very nicely. So a lot of different visual effects can be had with the charts floating, as it were, on the background color. As you saw earlier in this webinar, you can use the Quick Access toolbar of Excel and PowerPoint to insert a chart. I'll just go right up here, click on the Quick Access toolbar, and click on Insert Chart. Here we can choose what chart type we want to create. Let's just say we want to create a line chart. And now we can choose the graph data that we want to use to populate it. And we can use it by name. This is one of the big advantages of ActiveGraf, is that it's very human in its approach. You don't have to remember which range, which tab of which Excel you have your data. You remember the name of the data. In this case, I want to use good structure 2. That's the, and here it is, good structure 2. Easy to remember. And here we have good structure 2. And that is this data here. So that's how easy it is to make an ActiveGraf. You see this cell changed. I can change this to 250 and vice versa. It also reacts immediately.